Your hands, everybody!
Big Texas Breaks.
Cause I'm Curtis Blow, and I want you to know that these are the breaks!
May I have your attention, please?
ATB. ATB.
Good evening and welcome to tonight's festivities.
Live.
Live.
What you are about to witness is real.
This is not a dream. This is
Big Texas Breaks.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time.
What's up, everybody? Big Texas Breaks here. Doing a 2016 Immaculate Baseball. I had to start it off with that, man. I haven't used the intro in a little while, man. Baseball half case break. You bought a spot to get a random team or combo. Teams were already randomized in the previous video. No trades went down. Oh, there's the teams list. Study them. I'll go ahead and start opening up. Oh, man. I'll start opening up the case right now, man. How's everybody been doing? Hope everybody had a good week. I'm off tomorrow, so today was kind of like my Friday. I did switch with somebody, so I'll be working Saturday. They got me, dude. I wasn't paying attention to the date when I agreed to it. That's the fight, man. That's the night of the fight. I'm kind of like, man, Immaculate. Immaculate. All right, so I'm gonna roll the dice. Odd will do the left side. Even will do the right. 2. We're gonna do this right side. Right side. Oh. All right. Good luck, everyone. Oh man, yeah, that was bad, dude. It is what it is, man. I was sleeping good. Nice and comfy is all I can say. Alright! Looking for some big booms in this one, man. Looking for the big booms. Nice, man. I like the way they made the box this year. That's cool. I'll give you one. It don't matter. So I'm not sure how this goes right now, so I'm just gotta go slow on it. Out the gate, Jose Abreu, numbered 5 of 10. 5 of 10. Abreu, 5 of 10. Is this 130 or is it 180? Yeah, 130 fits. Abreu, 5 of 10. This is going to go quick, man. This top loader is going to go quick with this half case. Whoa, we started off good with the number 5 of 10. That's nice and low number. 73 and 99 pinstripe for the Mets. I'm sorry, that White Sox hit went to Christopher B. And this is Mets, Jake DeGrom, pinstripe, number 99. That's going to go to Christopher B. First 2 cards out the gate. The mint bag. Hold your stuff. Number to 99, Trevor Story. That's nice right there. Colorado. Going out to a C Finch. 63 and 99, Trevor Story. It's a little thicker. No, it's still good. A Mets hit, imagine that. Pinstripe. 10 of 99 for the A's. Sean Manaea for the A's. Oakland. Somebody's trying to get rid of Oakland. Right out. Right out. I feel bad, dude. I totally ignored this guy. And check this one out. Mac Williamson, 22-25 for the Giants. That's a nice one right there. That's a nice patch. I have to give it to them on the patches they use on here. Giants going out to Wally. Wally. Just PM me, man. I'll be honest with you. It's going to be hard for me to remember, so you got to PM me. Wally in. Heroes, 12 of 49 for the Rangers. Will Clark, Will the Thrill. He had a sweet swing, dude. Rangers on the board. Christopher B again. You destroyed that box, man. Will Clark, Heroes. Man, dude. That had like 3 or 4 cards out of that box. Will Clark. Next box. So the reason that we did a half case is I kind of wanted to keep the price point down for y'all. You know, potential to get a big hit, cheap price, breaking in its truest form. Alright. Looking for a Trout. Will Clark sells well, but does he sell well in the Rangers or in Giants? $40 and 99 Robinson Cano for the Mariners, Seattle Mariners. Mariners going out to Eric V. Eric V. Time to go fishing. 41 and 99. Byron Buxton, man. What happened to this dude, man? Twins. Minnesota Twins. Going out to Danny O, man. Danny O. Danny O. This is nice right here. 7 of 10. Elias Diaz for the Pirates. Like a laundry tag type looking. Let's see about the Pirates. Eric V. This is nice right here. I like this one. For the Yankees, Luis Severino, 72 and 99 jumbo jersey. Yankees going out to Wally. Wally. It's a cleat tongue. I don't know if it's a cleat tongue, man. It says 60. I think it's like the jersey on the bottom, like by the hip. Maybe he's a size 60 jersey. Is it a cleat tongue? I don't know. Oh, yeah. Brian Ellington for the Marlins. Look at that patch right there. for the Marlins, Miami. Going out to Finch. C. Finch. And boom! Look at this one. 1 of 25 diamond inscriptions. Chris Bryant for the Cubs. Chris Bryant for the Cubs. Eric H. Beautiful card, man. 1 of 25. 1 of 25. Eric H. Eric H. just mentioned earlier that he was on a roll. You had just mentioned earlier that you were on a roll when we messaged each other. You were like, might as well keep on going. And boom, you hit. Look at that, man. All right. Little contest up right now. Yeah, it was sticker, man, but it's all good. Pick the team for the next autograph. Pick the team with the next autograph. We got a thick card coming up. Now remember, I can't scroll down to see, man, so let's keep it civil, man. 5 of 5, Matt Harvey for the Mets. Christopher B. 5 of 5. It's a freebie also, remember. 58 of 99, Hanley Ramirez for the Dodgers. Dodgers going out to Twister. Twister. I think Yankees have the most hits in here, I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, that's pretty sick right there. Piscotty quad. We've got jersey, and a bat. 36 of 99. This is going to be Cardinals. Cardinals going out to Dale D. Dale. Uh-oh, Dale, take a picture, man. And this thing is too big to even try to. 5 of 5, jumbo cleats. Brian Johnson for the Red Sox. Look at that. Red Sox joining the board. Red Sox going out to Timothy H. Timothy H. 5 of 5. Not bad. Peter O'Brien. Peter O'Brien, Immaculate Collection Rookie Patch. Peter O'Brien. Did anybody pick the team? Did anybody pick the team? Diamondbacks? Anybody? Anybody pick the Diamondbacks? I don't think anybody picked the Diamondbacks. Did anybody pick them specifically or not? Christopher B. I don't think it. Can't even give it away. Look, this is a nice one for the Yankees. 3 of 10. Little Severino, Wally, 3 of 10. Yankees. Nice patch on there, Wally. Corey, you picked the D-backs? Finch, did you? All right. Pick one. Pick a pack. Well, we'll do it here after a little bit, man. You'll pick one. You gotta think about it though. Some people are kind of on a lag and stuff. You know what I'm saying? All right, so this is gonna be. I'm gonna draw a new line. I'm trying to get a giveaway going. All right. See, Finch, did you say it after he found out? All right, here we go. Next one that picks the team with the autograph wins this card right here. I'm just gonna put it down right there. See, Finch is honest, so I'll ask him straight up. Hey Finch, straight up, man, did you pick it before or after? Oh, you said it like to tell me what team he was from, not guessing, right? Is that what it was? I think that's what it was, man. Okay, all right. So the pack is still alive. Thanks for being honest, man. Thanks for being honest. 29.99 Leo DeRocher, Brooklyn Dodgers. Brooklyn Dodgers. Dodgers going out to Twister. Nah, well, Finch is honest, man. He'd tell me. 1 of 99, Ketel Marte. Seattle Mariners. Going out to Eric V. This is thicker than the 130s. It's all good, man. We're good. Miguel Sano, Max Kepler, and Byung-Ho Park. Minnesota hit right here. Minnesota Twins. Going out to Danny O. Danny O. Oh, we got a nice one coming up. 62 of 99. Orlando Arcia. Milwaukee Brewers. Milwaukee. Going out to Christopher B. You just straight smashed this break, man. Fire. You got one earlier, Danny O. You got one earlier as well. Look at this one. 87 of 99 for the Seattle Mariners. Did anybody pick Seattle? That's going to be Eric V. This is the RPA, I believe. That's a nasty patch right there. Look at that. Anybody? I don't think anybody picked Seattle, did they? Bueller? Nobody picked Seattle. Oh, man. Can't even give away a pack or a card. And last but not least, 16 of 49 For the Minnesota Twins, past and present, Paul Molitor. I think this is the second Molitor. And this is as a manager, Minnesota manager, Paul Molitor. For the Twins, Danny O. Danny O. Can't go wrong with that, bro. That's the break on that. Moving on to Gala.